As you know, our president, co-founder, and CEO, Joe Muselli, is a registered nurse. Under Joe's direction, we have designed the FlashCure UV lash extension system to be safe and effective. It's going to revolutionize the way you do lashes. Let's get started.
When using foam ink precision pre-made fans and adhesive rings, use the 6x6 inch Lash Palette and the 4 1/4 by 4 7/8 inch Lash Grid. When using foam ink precision pre-made fans with a square well adhesive tray, use the 7 1/4 inch square Lash Palette and the 4 1/4 by 4 7/8 inch Lash Grid. If you're not using foam ink precision pre-made fans and using a square well adhesive tray, use the 6x6 inch Lash Palette and the 2 1/2 by 3 1/2 inch Lash Grid.
We know that there are many different combinations that you can use, so we've created this helpful guide to help you determine which will work best for your application.